Hello students. Hi, I am Sunil Arinkhede, English Subject Assistant, Diet Gondia. Subject English Grammar, and in grammar section we will discuss about classes of conjunction, types of conjunction. Conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunctions are the word that they are used to connect words, phrase, clauses or sentences. Means with conjunction we connect the words, phrase, sentences. A conjunction is a word which merely join together sentences and sometimes the words. For example, and, but, or, as soon as, although. So these are the conjunctions. Classes of conjunction. In our last video, we have discussed on it. Conjunctions are classified into two classes: coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. What are the coordinating conjunction? In last video we learned about both, but in this video we will discuss more about what is coordinating conjunction. The conjunction which connects two statements or two words of equal rank and equal importance. Means they connect independent statements. They are separate. Yes, they are not depending on each other, and we connect these statement, words, sentences with it. These are the coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunction joins together of equal rank: and, or, but, for, nor, also. These are the conjunction. And four types of coordinating conjunctions are cumulative conjunction, cumulative conjunction, adversative, alternative and elative conjunction. So these are the four types of coordinating conjunctions. So let's see about cumulative or copulative conjunctions. Are they merely add one statement to other. Cumulative conjunction is used to add an extra information with certain degree of emphasis. In this way, it helps to create a meaningful sentence. We create meaningful sentence. For example, and, as well as, not only, but also, to. So these are copulative conjunctions and they are the part of coordinating conjunction. We made delicious dish and we enjoy a lot. Yes. He learnt English as well as Marathi. Pakistan and China are disturbing India. So here and as well as an and, they are copulative conjunctions. Then adversative conjunction. The conjunction which express opposition or contrast between two statements, that is adversative conjunction. Krishna is happy, still he has no money. Means he is happy, but still he has no money. So here we shows opposition or contrast between two statements. Dilip is alright, only he has some problem. Yes, he has some problem, but he is alright. So it shows also the contrast. We know Jack was lazy, but he was sure. The deer is fighting, still it is not stronger than a lion. So in these statements there is a contrast or adversity. So these are the adversatives. Now alternative or disjunctive conjunction. It is a conjunction which expresses a choice between two alternatives. Yes, it shows the choice. Here you can enjoy a TV show or coffee in the garden. Yeah, you have two options. Yes, so or is a alternative conjunction. Either is naughty or behaving like naughty boy. So either or is also disjunctive or alternative conjunction. Gopal can't write a letter nor a story. And I will see you either in a garden or at the bus stop. Neither Nilesh or his friends are coming for party. So here or, either or, nor, either or, neither or. So these sentences or these phrases are alternative. And the last type of coordinating conjunction, that is elative. The conjunction which express an inference, that is an elative conjunction. Here the first phrase refers to the second phrase. This way the phrase is joined resulting in each other. They shows the result for each other. Mainly we used elative conjunctions like so and for. Imran reached school late for he missed the first session. Yes. The people doesn't follow the precautions for their suffering by corona. So these are the words for. This shows elative conjunction. A snake certainly entered in the hall, so I closed the door of room. So this shows the result. Why I closed the door of room? Because the snake certainly entered. So that is the elative conjunction. So in this way we learn about coordinating conjunction and its types. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.